Okay, I want to share with you guys really quickly how to access the meal plan and add it to your Healthy Passion account, and then go ahead and shop your meal plan. That way you have everything ready to go to be successful this week. So if you haven't set up your Healthy Passion account, pause this video, go do that, following the link in the email so you get 7 free days, and then come back here and I'm going to show you guys how to pull it up and add it to your Healthy Passion account. Okay, so you guys will get this Steal My Meal Plan, Trim the Weights Line PDF. You're going to download it, and you'll see each day of the week there's a meal plan. Now, I did my personal calories, so if you guys need more calories or less calories, just adjust it based on what you need. I added kind of a few snacks on each day. That way you can go ahead and just take those out if you're a little over on calories. If you need more calories, feel free to add a snack. Then you're going to scroll to the very bottom. So each day you'll see the recipes you're cooking. So right here, for Wednesday, you're cooking the lime cilantro salmon, etc. So to find those recipes, you'll scroll down to the bottom and you're going to click this little button, and that's going to add each recipe to your Healthy Passion account. So then it'll pop up and you'll see this is a meal plan essentially for the week with all the recipes that you're going to need. And there'll be a button at the bottom that says add list to cookbook. Now this is already in my cookbook, so I'm not going to add it again, but you guys are going to click this button. And then when it's time to shop, you're going to go to your cookbook. You're going to find your list, which I have 1,000. You're going to view your list. And then you're just going to go through and click each recipe, the little shopping icon. Now, the reason you have to do each recipe individually is because each recipe has different pantry items. Each recipe has a different number of portions depending on if you're cooking for you or if you're cooking for someone else. The meal plan is just for one. So if you're cooking for 2, 4, 6, whatever, you want to scale it accordingly. So I'm just going to click for 2 here for an example. And then again, you're going to have to choose your pantry items that you need for the recipe. What I like to do is actually select all of them, and then I'll go look in my pantry and cross off the ones that I already have. So maybe we'll just add those for now. Click add pantry items, and there you go. It's going to take you back. You're going to do the next recipe, et cetera, et cetera. Now I'll show you guys what the shopping list looks like. So when it's time to shop, the cool thing about this is I actually like to do this on my desktop. I like to plan on my desktop, or, I've already done the planning for you, so really not a lot of work on your end. And then I'll actually pull up my iPhone and log in, and I can shop for my iPhone. So you'll click the little shopping icon. Now, if you want to do grocery delivery, you can do Instacart. But if you're going to the grocery store, what you'll do is you'll just look through here. It's organized by department, which is really cool. So you'll go through the grocery department and cross off the items as you get them, et cetera, et cetera. You can always add additional items. Say you need things for the house, add those on there. Also, like I mentioned, the pantry items, say I'll go through and I already have these things on hand. You can just do the little clear thing here, and it clears off the items that you've crossed off. So it gets it really organized. So you only have items that you need on there. Last thing, when it's time to cook, you're going to go back to cookbook. You're going to click on your little list, and you're just going to click on the photo or the name of the recipe. You're going to see a picture. You're going to see a description, the nutrition information, servings, cooking time, ingredients, pantry items, tools, and then the directions. And this one, since it's an instant pot recipe, it has directions to do on the stovetop if you don't have an instant pot. So there you have it. Hope that helps. I would love for you guys to explore Healthy Passion further. There are a ton of tutorials on the website. You can view those. You can use a little search feature to search through for recipes. You can click the recipes button to get recommendations or to browse all of our recipes. So you guys have access to this for an entire week, completely free. Take full advantage, cook as much as you can, get a feel for the software, and I hope you guys will continue cooking with us after the 7 days, because I think you're going to fall in love. So if you have any questions, just message me or tag me in the Facebook group, and happy cooking, guys.